Hello, kindergartners. This is Mr. Mark with today's video, Weed Be Gone. The garden word for the day is weed, W-E-E-D, weed. A weed is a plant that grows in your garden, not one of the seeds that you planted. It's not necessarily a bad plant. It just isn't the one that you wanted to be in that part of your garden. To get rid of your weeds, you need to know what your plant looks like. Do you know what your plant looks like? If you do, anything that's not your plant, you pull it. Take a look at each of the pictures as they roll by for the 5 different plants that we have and see if you can tell which is the plant and if you can see any weed in it. This is the radish. This is the pumpkin. This is the squash. This is the beet. This is the bean. Well, here's what I found when I looked at the weeds and the seeds. I found, first of all, for radishes, there were 9 radish plants growing, beets 23, beans 5, pumpkins 6, and squash 5. And you can see each one of them to the right of the numbers. You can see the weeds that were growing in there. They're all pretty small, but if they grew up, they would get in the way of the other plants growing, the plant that we actually put in the ground. So pulling those weeds out allows the dirt to be used, the sun to be used, the rain to be used for the good of the plant, rather than to grow a plant that you didn't intend to grow. Your weeds have been taken out, your plants are growing, and with the warm weather, they're going to grow even more. So I'll look forward to talking to you next time when we thin to win.